financial advisor.
Welcome to Ben Armstrong Crypto X. Don't just trade crypto, experience it. We're out here in beautiful Mexico City. An ambulance, you missed it. We're right over here next to the Senate, I think. The Senado de la República. I'm not here fighting for crypto, I'm here fighting for my life. Going to be doing an MMA fight, as you guys know, with Karate Combat on Friday night. I'm super excited. Going to be taking on more light of that coin with all the animals and wizards and all that stuff, the ticker Bitcoin. Guys, I want to talk about XRP really quickly. And guys, I also want to let you guys know, we're not going to be doing live streams this week. I need to be focused for my fight. I just think it's something that I'm going to have to skip the live streams this week. We'll be back next week. When I'm in Las Vegas, we will be doing the following week. We will be doing the live stream every day. We just can't do it right now because, guys, I need to focus. And I think getting ready for that in the mornings is something I just don't need to deal with right now. So I'll have some videos for you guys. I'll make a quick video for you guys around the time of the usual live stream, give you guys an update on the market and what's going on in the news. I have an XRP trade that's absolutely killing it. As you guys know, I was crushing in the trade and went all the way back down to even. Went negative a little bit. I loaded up some more and increased the leverage. Pow! Trade is killing it right now. Popping it right there. Oh, I got a cool Polygon trade too. Look at that. But I want to talk about XRP because with so much at stake with the XRP price, you would think I would be able to keep talking about that, but I got distracted because I said the word stake, and everybody knows that stake is the sponsor of the Ben Armstrong Crypto X YouTube channel, the largest social casino in the world. You can play, have fun, games, chat, do all kinds of live games. Go check it out. QR code on the screen, link in the description. And don't forget, guys, Ben Armstrong Crypto X is powered by stake. A lot of people are believing that Ripple is actually manipulating the price of XRP. And at this point, if you're in the XRP army, we have had a little bit of a run here, but we need more. We need more for sure. We need XRP heading to $1 quickly if we're going to start getting to the numbers we want to get to. If this thing hovers below 50, 60 cents and Bitcoin's above 50K, it just doesn't make any sense, guys. XRP was at $1 after the SEC hearing, or after the SEC case ended for all intents and purposes. You guys know what I mean. It's not over yet, but when it came out, the Ripple is, or XRP is not a security. You guys know the price went all the way up to $1, came back to 70 cents and hung around. That was when Bitcoin was at like less than 30K, I believe. And when Bitcoin was that was in July. So I guess around July, I guess it probably would have been around 30K or somewhere thereabouts. I don't remember the exact number. Maybe it was 25K. But the point is that there's no way the price of XRP should be this low right now. And people are starting to get suspicious. A guy on Twitter actually suggested that Ripple, the company, has been manipulating the price of XRP in order to keep it down. They're doing this through programmatic sales. Now, so the CTO, David Schwartz, came out and clarified and said, this is absolutely not true. Basically, what this user accused Ripple of doing was using programmatic sales to make profit for the company and keep the price of XRP down. And David Schwartz clarified there's a difference, obviously, between those programmatic sales and then the way XRP is used to bridge assets with ODL or to bridge banks and things like that. So for cross-border payments is the whole purpose, right, guys? So the fact is that David Schwartz came out and said this is absolutely not true. However, we don't know what the personal wallets of Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson and David Schwartz and Arthur Brito, what these guys are doing with XRP right now. They could have different wallets and they sell. This could certainly, and look, I want to be very careful here. I'm not accusing any of these people of doing this. All that I'm saying is that there is a concern that there is some price manipulation. David Schwartz coming out and clarifying that the company isn't necessarily doing it. That doesn't really satisfy that requirement to put that to bed. In my opinion, I believe we're seeing a lot of whale manipulation probably. And when you look at whales, there's a lot of crossover between those early team members and the whales, obviously. So not saying, once again, not accusing anyone of doing something, but guys, something ain't right, okay? We all see it. It's just a matter of when is this thing going to take off, and it's going to absolutely rip when it does. But I don't know. Maybe it never rips. Maybe we're all going to be poor for the rest of our lives. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I got to run. We're going to go eat here in Mexico City. Looking forward to seeing you guys on Friday night. You guys watch a fight on the Karate Combat app, or you can watch it on YouTube, Twitter. Just look up Karate Combat. It's very easy to watch on a live stream for free. So guys, really appreciate you watching this video. And make sure you hit the like button on your way out. If you like when I come to you live from locations such as Mexico City, make sure you hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. It all helps to keep the lights on. Be blessed.